Meghalaya government has reopened the Words Lake in Shillong to public after a gap of 4 months due to COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown imposed by the state government. Only few visitors above 18 years of age could go around the lake today, and many people who were unable to prove that they have taken the second dose of the vaccine were denied entry into the lake.
It definitely feels wonderful. We were just passing by, so we were friends, so we just wanted to chit chat. So we just tried to enter in. Fortunately, we were allowed to because we are vaccinated. So only the people who are already vaccinated with their both doses are allowed, along with their vaccine certificate. So that's the thing, and it's definitely a good experience now. Yeah. They asked if we are vaccinated completely or not. We said yes, we are. So they wanted to see our COVID vaccine certificate. They did see that, and they asked for our reference ID, the number in the certificate. So they took that, and finally they allowed us to enter. Well, we are not, they did not tell anything as such. Yeah, they told us to, we came together although, but still they told us don't be too close to each other, sit separately and wear your mask all the time. So yeah, that's it. That is what they told us.
Speaking to the authorities, the entry fee collection has dwindled over the years due to COVID-19 pandemic. IFS Kailash Bhimsao Bhavan informed that the revenue collected from the lake in recent years was more as compared to the revenue collected during the 2020 to 2021 due to the pandemic.
Actually, 2017 to 2019, average revenue was almost 50 lakh rupees per year, and number of visitors were approximately 5 lakh per year. But with lockdown came into the 2020, the number of visitors reduced, like from 5 lakh to 1 lakh only, and revenue also reduced by from 51 lakh to, like 50 lakhs to only 14 lakhs. And this year currently till now we have revenue up 16 lakh only, and number of visitors are 82. So revenue is more as compared to last year this year because of the rate has been revised by the government. So it is almost double as compared to last year. So because of that one, revenue has